Hi everyone, welcome back to my art studio. Today we are painting a beautiful tropical sunset with palm trees over calm water, and I'll walk you through every step from the sky reflections to the final details. So grab your paints and let's get started. For the brushes, we'll be using a medium flat brush for the sky and water, a small round brush for blending, and a detailed round brush for fine lines and highlights. So first we're starting with the sky. I'm using baby blue with my medium flat brush, and I'm going to fill the top half of the canvas. We're going to brush back and forth horizontally to keep it soft and streak free. I am also adding a bit of white as we move lower towards the horizon and blending it all through. Now let's move to the water. We're still using the baby blue and we're painting horizontal streaks across the bottom half of the canvas now. We're going to keep our strokes light and a little uneven to mimic the look of the water. Next, I'll take a darker blue and add it to the top of the water area, dragging streaks downwards again. This creates depth and makes the water look more realistic. Next, I'm grabbing some pink paints and mixing those together, and using the same flat brush, I'm going to streak the same paint horizontally into the water, focusing on the right side where the sunset reflection will be. Now with the same pink color and flat brush, I'm going to start from the horizon line up to the sky and making sure I blend the pink with the blue to create a smooth transition. Next, I'm grabbing a yellow paint, and then we're going to paint a round sun just above the horizon on the right hand side. Also, after, we're going to blend the edges gently into the surrounding pink clouds. Back to the water, I'll add a little more pink and yellows to the reflection area, so I'll make sure it stands out against the darker blues. Next, with a small flat brush, I'm mixing a bit of purple, and I'll paint some soft, rounded clouds in the sky. Then I'll shade the top of each cloud with blue and the bottom with pink. This gives the clouds a beautiful sunset glow. Now let's add some final touches to the water. So here we're using a small detailed brush and black paint. I'm going to add small horizontal lines and shapes in the water to create soft shadows. Now with a touch of white, I will add some highlights to the water, especially near the reflection and around the darker shadows. Now it's time for the palm trees, and I'm using the same small brush and black paint. And first I'm starting out with the stems, which are long and slightly curved lines. So next, I'm adding the palm branches that are coming out from the top of each stem. Now with the same liner brush, I'm adding the palm leaves. To do this, we're creating some quick and thin flicking strokes to create a natural leaf look. To finish, I'm using a black pen or marker and going over some of the palm trees and edges and shadows so I can make them pop out more and create more definition. Lastly, I will peel off any tape and erase any pencil lines. And there we have it, a gorgeous tropical sunset scene. Thank you so much for painting with me, and we'll see you next time.